Hello and a very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to be here and being your host again this year. So of course we're here at the 6th Annual Middle East Banking Innovation Summit 2016.
Each year it gets better. So this year you've clearly been able to get COOs, CIOs, even one or two CEOs from various banks to attend. And even in the morning corridor discussions, everyone is very much focused on the agenda. It's quite obvious in the way people are getting back into sessions between each break. And everyone is listening to the case studies because they want to go back with very clear messages and learnings that they can reflect and analyze their own operations with and take some value and benefit out of it. So I think that this year, frankly, has been one of the best I've seen so far.
I think such forums support and allow us to move forward and creating innovation in all sectors, including financial services. So I see this as a very positive event for working on improving the innovation environment in the UAE.
I think these platforms are great to look at a wide sort of demographic. So we're covering most of the GCC here, and that demographic gives me the insight of the cultural challenges that banks will have between Saudi and the UAE. Very different.
The number of people we have met today and the quality, and I would say the C-level people we've met has been quite impressive. And we're not just talking about a specific country, but it's from all over the region. We've seen a lot of people from finance, from operation, who are also very keen on the digital experience. So it's been a marvelous event, and we'll definitely look forward to meeting our customers in the future.
So when it came up for the opportunity to talk about Wimbledon and the work we do at Wimbledon, I jumped at the idea of how can we leverage the work we do at Wimbledon to share with you a point of view on how the digital experience that we're creating at Wimbledon is extremely relevant to the digital journey and the usage of data in terms of the entire journey map and the points of view for banking in this region.
Banking is changing every quarter, every year, sometimes every month. There's new things coming out and being launched by banks around the world. We are really in a moment in time where banking is being disrupted, and if we don't disrupt banking ourselves, someone else will.
This is one of the best things happening. Like, one is the number of people that you can see here. It's just hundreds of people from all around the places. And the second is the diversity. So you will see not only the banks from the Emirates, that is a limited number, you can see banks from all of the Middle East and even beyond. So it's really a good place to know what's happening all around the places.
I think the presentations in general were high level. I was very pleased to see some presentations, and I think all the banks were representing their top executives, so it was a very high level, very well focused conference in that region. So I'm very glad to be here.
We have actually had many opportunities to meet the senior managers in this event, and this is also the fact that with not all banking customers are our customers, of course, and this is where the opportunity is. We actually meet the ones that never heard about us before, and we have the opportunity to describe how we could make their business more efficient, and they are sometimes very surprised about that, which is something quite interesting for us.
I was very impressed by the quality of the meetings, quality of the presentation, and number of the connections that I made. I was very happy with the fact that there was both a technical and business aspect to this gathering together, because either way by itself is useless. The vendors were wonderful. I enjoyed their presentation. I met some new vendors with some new technologies. I really enjoyed it. I have to say that this was one of the better ones I have seen.